Welcome, explorers of tomorrow. I'm Luna, your guide into the extraordinary future of our species. Today, we set our sights on a planet both hauntingly beautiful and harshly unwelcoming, Mars. But what if that could change? What if this red desert could one day bloom with life? Join me as we explore the breathtaking idea of terraforming Mars, turning it into a second Earth. Mars is cold, dry, and bathed in radiation. Its thin atmosphere, composed mostly of carbon dioxide, cannot support life as we know it. Surface temperatures often plunge below -60 degrees Celsius. Yet, beneath this barren exterior lie the raw ingredients for transformation: carbon dioxide, water ice, and a stable planetary surface. NASA, ESA, and SpaceX are already laying the groundwork for sustained human presence. But colonization is only the first step. Terraforming goes much further. One of the earliest proposed terraforming techniques involves space mirrors, vast orbital reflectors that beam sunlight onto the Martian surface. This would gradually raise temperatures, releasing CO2 from the polar ice caps and soil, thickening the atmosphere in a runaway greenhouse effect. Scientists at MIT and other institutions have modeled these systems, suggesting that a temperature rise of just a few degrees could unlock massive environmental change. Another powerful approach involves deploying greenhouse gas factories. These high-tech facilities, potentially powered by fusion or next-gen solar, would emit engineered gases like perfluorocarbons, supercharged greenhouse agents, to rapidly warm the planet. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin have expressed interest in large-scale environmental engineering, and DARPA-funded labs are already experimenting with synthetic atmospheres on a small scale. Once temperatures rise and the atmosphere thickens, the next step is biology. Scientists envision releasing genetically modified extremophile microbes, organisms capable of surviving in Mars' hostile conditions. These microbes could break down rocks, fix nitrogen, and slowly release oxygen into the air. It's not science fiction. Researchers at NASA's Ames Research Center are already engineering bacteria for future Mars applications. Water is key to everything. Mars holds vast underground ice reserves, especially in its mid-latitudes. Melting and redirecting this water, through geothermal heating or subsurface reactors, could create rivers, lakes, and even oceans. Projects like ESA's Mars Ice Mapper are already scanning the planet to locate these frozen aquifers, preparing for the moment we'll need to awaken them. In the transitional phase, biospheres will play a critical role. These controlled environments will host Earth plants and animals while helping to balance CO2 and O2 levels. Over centuries, if oxygen-producing algae and forests are introduced strategically, Mars could gain a breathable atmosphere. Some estimates suggest it would take between 1,000 and 10,000 years, but advances in biotech could drastically accelerate this process. A fully terraformed Mars would be a new world, not just habitable, but beautiful. Imagine cities nestled in craters, forests stretching across ancient lava plains, and Martian sunrises that shimmer with the hues of both Earth and alien skies. It wouldn't be Earth 2.0, it would be something entirely new. A hybrid world shaped by science, imagination, and the collective will of humanity. Terraforming Mars isn't just about survival, it's about legacy. It's about proving that life can flourish beyond its birthplace. For future generations born on Mars, Earth will be the ancestral home, a distant blue dot in the sky. Their stories will be Martian, their dreams interplanetary. What we do today sets the stage for those futures to unfold. Terraforming Mars may be the most ambitious project humanity will ever attempt. It won't happen in a single lifetime, but it will begin in one, perhaps ours. With vision, courage, and technology, we may one day walk under Martian trees, breathe Martian air, and call two planets home. Until then, the red planet waits, silent, patient, full of promise. Thank you for dreaming with me. Until next time, I'm Luna, and this is Amazing World.